Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Volatility Report. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only, should not be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult a financial professional if you have questions. Well, it's a day, folks. Things are moving. We got a pretty big miss out of some earnings today. So Caterpillar is off nicely, call it 8%. The big miss, NVIDIA. Everybody hates NVIDIA right now. It's down 15%, back to 135. And that is really what's driving everybody lower. You know, there's just a lot of ugly here, folks. So overall, markets are down pretty big. Take a look at the SPX. Off about 30, 31. Not a huge hairy deal, but also a decent amount of dough. Over 1%. VIX, when including the weekend effect, is making a nice move back above 20. We'll see whether that lasts. My gut says no. But, you know, here we are. Let me get this down to 1 month. And you can see we're right at where kind of that 50-day moving average is. And Vol's getting a little bit of a pop. You know, I feel like earnings are always kind of win some, lose some. These are a couple of the first kind of big companies to report. So maybe we are able to drive things there. But I'm not so sure that, you know, it's going to make a huge decision. One thing I would note is look at VIX. It's up 6. It's making a big pop. Now it's had problems getting the giant, huge candle and the big fear pop that we've gotten in the past, but you know, back above 90 after being near 80 again. You know, it's really been unable to get itself consistently below 81, 80. You know, we had a touch in the 70s, but 80's been a really good floor for VVIX. Just like in VIX, 17's been kind of a floor for the index. You know, on Friday at the low, we got down to about 1709, kind of the same the previous time, and then we immediately get a nice pop here. So we're seeing vol continue to move, continue to be strong, and be very range bound. That said, you know, all the indexes look relatively strong. And that is the key. You know, all these indexes look really pretty significantly strong, and that's a good thing. So watch today if we really can break. You know, we've not had a close below the 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's been 9 days. So that's coming on a real hold. So watch the volume, watch how we move, and you know, keep an eye on those FANG names. A lot of people are paying attention to those because they have been, you know, they've been kind of strong. But I don't know. In general, as I look at the market, I think we're looking at a market that today may be one-offish. Obviously, we have a ton of earnings coming up, right? Just about every company reports this week. Apple, Google, Amazon. Google's next week. Amazon is this week. Facebook, Apple, Microsoft. I mean, the list goes on and on. So we're going to have a real clear idea of what earnings season is going to look like by Thursday. So I would just be prepared. We got Apple tomorrow. I think that's going to be the first one that we're going to spend some time looking at in chat because I think that presents itself a decent opportunity for trading. All right, everybody. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.